Welcome to Techi. In this video we will see how to apply fine-grained password policy for any group in our Active Directory. Fine-grained policies allow administrators to apply different password and account lockout policies to specific users or group instead of applying a single domain-wide policy. So let's go to the server and see how we can do that. So right now I am on a server, and to configure the fine-grained password policy, let's have a look on our Active Directory users and computer first. We have a sales OU here and we have two users inside it, Alex and Mickey. First of all, let's create a group, and to create a group I will just right click on the sales OU, navigate to the new and will click on group, and I will name the group as fine-grained PSO. Scope will be the global and security type will be the security. Now click on OK. Double click this group, and inside the member I will add the Mickey and Alex here. Alex is here and here we have Mickey, so we'll click on OK. OK again. So Alex and Mickey are added to this group. We'll click on apply and OK. Now these two users have been added to this fine-grained PSO, and to create the fine-grained policy we have to go to the ADSI edit. We will click on tools and here we have ADSI edit. We will right click here and we'll click on connect to. Make sure that this default naming context has been selected. Click on OK. Now we have to navigate to the password container. I will expand this DC Techi DC equal to local, expand this, and inside the CN system here I will expand this as well, and here you can see the CN password settings container. We'll do a right click here and click on new and we'll click on object. Click on next here and put the value. I will say the value as fine-grained PSO and click on next, and in the precedence I will type 1. As you set the lower number take precedence over the PSOs. So click on next. In the reversible encryption status, the value I will type false. Will click on next. In password history I will type the value as 24, number of previous password that cannot be reused. So we'll click on next. In the password complexity I will type true and will proceed with next, and here it says minimum password length. I will set it as 14 and will click on next. The password age is 0, so I will set the value as 0. Click on next, and here in the maximum password age for user account I will type 7 days and will click on next, and here in the lockout threshold for lockout of user account I will type the value 3. So 3 invalid attempt will lock the user account. Will click on next, and for the duration I will set it as 15 minutes. We'll click on next. Here I will also set it as a 15 minutes. Now click on finish. Now just right click here and go to the properties. Here in the MSDS PSO applies to, here you can see it is not set. You can just click on edit, and now we will have to add the Windows account. We will click on add, advanced, find now, and here we have this fine-grained PSO. I will click on OK, click on OK again and click on OK now. Apply it and click on OK, and we will close this. Now the fine-grained policy has been applied, and to check it we have this user Mickey here. So let's try to verify this. We'll run this command, let get AD user resultant password policy for user Mickey. You can see it is applies to CN fine-grained policy PSO. Complexity is true. Lockout duration what we have set is 15, and the lockout observation window is also 15. Threshold we have set 3. Password age we have set 7. Minimum password length was 14, and name you can see the fine-grained PSO. Password history count 24. Precedence 1. Reversible encryption enabled is false. So this fine-grained policy has been applied to Mickey. And same way if you want to check for the Alex as well, same password policy has been set for the Alex as well. And if you add any other user in the group, same policy will be applied to the new user as well. Also you can wait for 7 days to see if the password expires for the user in 7 days or not. I hope the video was useful. Let's meet in a next video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new content.